Everyone. You might be trying to figure out whether, inside of Google Gemini, there might be an issue where something went wrong. So it might be telling you something went wrong, can we fix it, X, Y, and Z. Now, there's a couple of things to keep in mind here. The easiest way to go and fix this if you're having these types of problems is to try just restarting and refreshing Google Gemini. So all you're going to have to do here is to just open up Google Gemini like this, close it, and try opening it back up again. If you have the website, just start refreshing it, and a lot of the times that might end up fixing it for you. Now, you might also sometimes have to go through and just kind of re-sign into your account. If you click in the top right corner of your Google account, sometimes it might tell you to sign back in or confirm your account, things like that. And that can also be another thing you might have to try doing as well. So try going about doing that. That might end up fixing it for you. And that's another really easy thing as well. Now, you might also want to go through and if you have a lot of ad blockers enabled or specific extensions enabled, if you're on Google Chrome or something, you can also try going through and try removing those as well. That can be another thing I'd recommend kind of avoiding because that would be another really, really kind of annoying thing that can happen. But if you have the application, you can also try going inside of the App Store like this, and you can try clicking into Gemini, and you can also try doing the same thing. So try going into Gemini like this, and you can try updating the application as it kind of comes down to it that way as well. So in terms of that, those are kind of the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.